In a case that has both shocked and intrigued the public, Disney is currently facing a wrongful death lawsuit that raises serious questions about consumer rights, the responsibility of big companies, and the fine print in their nasty little contracts that often goes unnoticed. The incident centres around the tragic death of Dr. Kanakporn Tangsuan, a physician from New York who died after suffering a fatal allergic reaction at a Disney World restaurant.
Experience that, and you can see what all there is.
But what has turned this case into a major legal battle is Disney's controversial defence, a clause buried in the terms and conditions of a Disney Plus subscription designed to rid Disney of responsibility for her death. It all began in October 2023 when Dr. Tang Suan, along with her husband Jeffrey Piccolo, visited Raglan Road Irish pub at Disney Springs. Considering her severe allergies to dairy and nuts, Tang Suan had taken every precaution to ensure her meal would be safe, including multiple confirmations from the restaurant staff. Despite these efforts, she tragically suffered an anaphylactic reaction, leading to her untimely death. Piccolo, devastated and seeking justice, filed a wrongful death lawsuit against both the restaurant and Disney in February 2024, accusing them of negligence. But as the legal battle unfolds, it's not just the heartbreaking loss of a loved one that has grabbed headlines. It's Disney's defense strategy that has drawn significant controversy and public outrage. In what some legal experts have called an unprecedented move, Disney is attempting to dismiss the lawsuit by invoking an arbitration clause found in the terms and conditions of a Disney Plus free trial that Piccolo signed up for back in 2019. In other words, this means that Piccolo, according to Disney's legal team, has waived his right to a jury trial. A legal clause this absurd is typically known as an unconscionable clause. Disney's attempt to use this insane clause may seem like an extreme legal maneuver, but it is far from the first time that fine print has caught customers off guard. A more light-hearted example comes from the UK-based video game retailer GameStation, which, in 2010, pulled a prank to steal the souls of over 7,500 customers. Literally. GameStation added a clause to its online terms and conditions stating that customers would give up their immortal soul to the company if they agreed. Over 7,500 customers agreed to the clause before it was removed later in the day. Most people simply don't read the fine print, and big companies can use this to their advantage, sometimes with much more serious consequences. But the fight isn't over yet. Since this channel, Magnolia, first began researching this case, Disney have faced such significant backlash that they've decided to allow the case to be heard in a proper court. This doesn't mean that the case is going to be a clear victory for Piccolo, but it does mean that he stands a much fairer chance at getting justice for his partner, Dr. Tang Suan.